no time to complain about what you don't have. It's a lot of time to get what you want. So like I said, plan your life, use your time wisely, and start living, man. Start living the good way. What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Long for longevity, back with another video. You can do anything you want. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can live the perfect lifestyle. Show you how you can live the perfect lifestyle. And basically the perfect lifestyle is basically everything you want. You know what I'm saying? A good career that pays you more than enough that you can live off of. A nice career, nice home, nice car, true friends. The first thing you need to do is work hard so you can provide a source of income for yourself. And you can do this by choosing a career field or owning your own business. It should be something that you're passionate about and something that you want to do. Because you don't want to feel like you're just working for money. You want to work and enjoy what you're doing, and the money just come along with it. When you're finding your source of income, you're finding your passion. Find something that you're passionate about doing and you don't mind getting paid for it. Next thing you should do is plan for anything you want. As far as homes, cars, traveling, anything like that. Take that money, invest it, buy nice things to keep yourself happy, help others, donate to charity, anything that you want to do. Figure out what you want to do with your money. Okay, you got your money right, you got your cars and your things that you want right. Now what you're going to do is find a partner. Find a good person that you're willing to spend your rest of your life with. A good partner that you communicate, y'all click, y'all got chemistry. You know what I'm saying? Y'all laugh and joke together. Find someone that you want to be happy with for the rest of your life. Someone that got your back, someone that's true, someone that's going to be there for you no matter what, someone that's going to encourage you. You got to get someone that loves you. So you see someone that loves you, want to help you, want to be with you, pretty much that person is going to be the person for you. So this part of your life, you're going to be focused on your relationships. Build true friends, build true good relationships with people. Find some true friends. Find people that you can call on. Find people that's dependable. People that you can rely on, that's going to be there for you no matter what. So as you got your money right, you got the things you want, you got your relationships, now you're going to plan your lifestyle. Now it's the planning stage. So basically you got everything right together. Now it's to the point you're going to plan everything you have. And you can plan to have kids. You could plan to start saving for retirement. You could plan to buy a new home. You could plan to invest. All these different things you can do in the planning stage of your life. The whole purpose of this video is to live a perfect lifestyle. So you got to think in your head, what is the perfect lifestyle for you? Write it down and start working towards it. So if you know the perfect lifestyle for you is to make $100,000 a year, you got to find things that's going to make you $100,000 a year. You have to plan, write it down, and just take the steps. Do anything you want in this world, but you should be focused on living a perfect lifestyle for yourself. Take this time and build the life that you want, because you definitely can do it. Think about how you want your life to go. Start taking action to work towards the dreams that you want. And that will make life a whole lot better when you actually work towards what you want. You shouldn't be sitting around complaining or wasting time. You should be working hard to get what you want. Time to complain about what you don't have. It's a lot of time to get what you want. So like I said, plan your life. Use your time wisely. Start planning your life and start living, man. Start living the good way. Take care of your health. Take care of your friends and family. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. And I'll see y'all in the next video.